The SUDDS Learning Map for grades 6 through 8 provides a navigational structure to organize and access curriculum materials, and it gives students a clear picture of what they will learn. There are 4 fields: geometry and measurement, algebra, number, and statistics and probability. Across these are 9 regions or big ideas. These big ideas focus the instruction. For example, within number are 2 big ideas: position, compare, and operate on one-dimensional quantities, and compare quantities to operate and compose with ratio, rate, and percent, or 2-dimensional numbers. Let's look more closely at the region on ratio, rate, and percent, where we see 5 relational learning clusters. Each of the clusters is composed of closely related constructs that mutually reinforce each other. The 5 clusters in ratio, rate, and percent are key ratio relations, compare and find missing values, introducing percents, calculating with percents, and rational number operators. Clusters are particularly important because they are the right size to provide actionable instructional interventions. Diagnostic assessments will be available to students at the level of each cluster. A cluster's shape communicates the suggested sequence of the constructs. In the cluster on key ratio relationships, students first need to engage with the idea of ratio equivalence. They can then explore the concepts of base ratio and unit ratio, but in either order. Students work with these ideas in multiple representations, tables, double number lines, and graphs, to demonstrate their proficiency on a diagnostic assessment in this cluster. The map is grounded both in learning trajectories and the standards. Each construct has a stack, a bottom-to-top list of the indicators of increasing proficiency. These stacks are what make the map fundamentally learner-centered. Based in research, the indicators identify students' ways of acting and talking that demonstrate increasing sophistication for each construct. By tapping the CCSSM symbol, the standards related to the construct are displayed. By then tapping on one of the standard's primary and secondary construct associations are shown. The map can link to internet materials at the construct and cluster level. We're looking for partners as we build the map and the diagnostics and link them to curricular resources. To join us, go to the link on the screen.